We're going to go over the communicate questions on page 98. Question 1 asks, explain how the formation of your pepper picture is similar to the image formed in a photocopier. So I hope you had an opportunity to do the work on it experiment in this section with the pepper in the petri dishes. If you haven't done so already, feel free to grab a spare petri dish off my desk and do the experiment. Now, if you had done that experiment and read the Think Again section in this area, you would have been able to make some connections on how a photocopier works. If you refer to the questions that you answered in step 9 and 10 on the work on it, you would be able to tell that, or conclude, that a photocopier toner is like the pepper in the experiment, and the bright light on the copier helps create an image that has charged and uncharged parts. The toner sticks to the charged parts of the image, just like the pepper sticks to the charged parts of the lid, thereby copying the image. Question 2. In a group, discuss ways to reduce static buildup in everyday objects. Why do you think it is important to control or reduce the amount of static that is built up? Some possible ideas that you could come up with are to reduce the static buildup are to put more moisture in the air with a humidifier or a vaporizer, to use fabric softeners or anti-static dryer sheets to control static cling, or to use static discharge straps at the back of your cars or trucks that stay connected to the ground so that the vehicle does not build up a charge. Controlling static charges is usually more convenience than a necessity, but static charges can build up to dangerous levels that can cause gas explosions. So for an example, an explosion can occur at a gas station if a spark from a static charge comes into contact with flammable liquid. That's why they ban cell phones around gas pumps. And one of the other common issues that can occur at home or at school is that your computer can be damaged if a static spark gets too close to the circuit boards. Question number 3. Create a mind map to represent your to represent your understanding of static electricity. To help you, start with the central picture that represents static electricity, and then create arms to represent your 4 experiments on this topic. So with your mind map, you could have your static electricity in the middle, and then you could have your dancing cereal experiment to one side, charging in another spot, a little bit of lightning down the other corner, and then pepper pictures in the other corner.